and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a Matalan haul. Now, I don't know if any of you guys have shopped in Matalan before. It was definitely a place I shopped a lot before lockdown, but I've never shopped online before, so we're going to have my first time reviews on what it's like shopping online on there and everything like that. I found the process of buying stuff really easy. There's actually a massive sale on, which was the reason we went on there, but I did a little haul and I'm going to show you what I got. First thing I also want to say is Matalan's a great place if you are more of a curvy lady or you like things just to fit with a bit of room and to be comfortable, then definitely try Matalan if you haven't. They've got some super trendy clothes, but they're actually really nice and I don't know, they fit well. They're made for women's bodies rather than, I think some shops literally make clothes that like straight up and down and are not going to fit you curvy girls. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. But if you'd like to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. This thing is actually like really heavy, but we are going to dive in. Let's open it. I don't know where you meant to open. I think it's from the bottom. Now also, I don't know what the returns policy and stuff for this is, so who knows. We'll have, well, maybe we'll have to find out, hopefully not. Let's look into this. So first thing I'm seeing is this. What is this? Okay, then we have some pyjamas first. Now, I must say, this isn't wrapped the nicest. Like, it's in, like, very, I don't know if you can tell what material it is, like, very, very flimsy bags. Like, they're not even, like, sealed up. Well, they are, but, not wrapped up there. So I've actually never ordered from Matalan online before. But Matalan is definitely one of my shops to go in and shop in. I feel like they're very true to size, which is good. I think if you're a bit bigger, they just cater really nicely, and I don't think they, yeah, I just think they have really true to sizes, which I really appreciate. I'm going to try and get this out. Right, I've got it out, and this is really cute. So this was in the sale. I will find out how much things were and put it on the screen. But I got this in a size 14 and it's just a set of fleecy pyjamas, which to be fair, it's actually getting so much warmer now. So I don't know how many wears I'll get out of these this season. It's not the fleecy material inside. I actually am really hot, but I have very few pyjamas that actually fit me anymore. So I got these in a size 14. I'll try everything on for you. And this is super cute. So this is Time to Dream, and all of this was in the sale. I think I forgot to mention that. But the only reason we really went on there was because there was a great sale. So they're just pink, and then it's got this sort of moon and star detail. I don't know if you can tell too much on there. And it's this button-up long sleeve top and then long sleeve trousers. They don't have a cuff at the end. And as I say, got in size 14. So let's see what that looks like. So these are the pyjamas. I actually really like them. They are very hot, which obviously this fleecy material, like, that's to be expected. And the top is a 14. And it is a bit tight around my boobs, but okay, like, I've got room. For reference, I'm about 32F. In bra size, so my boobs are slightly bigger and therefore are sometimes a bit tight on clothes. The trousers are nice. They are a nice length. I think any shorter they would be too short, and I'm only 5'5", so if you're a bit taller than that then maybe steer clear. But they are really cute, they're really comfy and they're really cozy, and I've actually got the prices here. So these were £12, which to be fair for like a full pyjama set is similar to price to what you pay in Primark for sort of these sort of pyjamas, and as Primark's closed at the moment, this is all we can do with. Although I'm filming this today after Boris made his big announcement, and I've been in such a good mood because I'm just so excited for life to get back to normality, and actually then things like this I won't be wearing as much because we'll be out doing fun things every day rather than pyjama days that we're doing now. But I do really like this set, and I think for £12 it's actually quite good. It's very fleecy. I think definitely in the winter it'll be really good, or if it gets a bit colder I think it's going to be a really nice set. So let's find the next thing. What are these? Right, these are some black leather look trousers. So if you've watched my videos for a while, if you've seen my hauls, then you might remember that I really struggle. I've never found a nice leather look pair of trousers that fit me since I've kind of gone up a size. I used to have a pair a couple of years ago that were from Matalan, but they were more like a coated jean, so kind of like matte, if that makes sense. Whereas this time I wanted like that leather look to wear like an oversized jumper. I know we're kind of getting out of that season now, but I've been looking the whole time and I thought I would try Matalan, as I know they are quite true to size. So I picked it up in a size 14, which is normally the size I am in bottoms anyway. But let's open these up and see what we think. Okay, so they have that fishy smell, which I think is so normal when you buy leather stuff, but just a warning if you don't really like that. Again, a size 14, so they're an elasticated waist and they actually feel quite stretchy. Now they've got this sort of panelling sort of seam detail down the front, which I think is really nice. I don't really want to say too much about them because they may not fit. One thing I have noticed but I don't like is there's got like an elasticated panel here that isn't sort of that material. Now I would really not like that if I was going to wear things tucked into it. I am going to wear this untucked, but just a warning because I don't like that. It's not a nice detail. And the pocket at the back is fake, which to be fair, in these sort of trousers I probably wouldn't put anything back in my back pocket anyway, but just like a warning, there is a fake pocket on the back. So again, if you don't like fake pockets, these may not be the ones for you. But as I say, it was a size 14 and was in the sale. I'll try and insert the price if I can find it. Let's try these on. So these are the leather trousers. Sorry, my head's going to be out there because I can't get my head in it too. But these are finally a pair of leather trousers I actually like. Let me tuck in so you can sort of see the top of them. But the waistband is nice. I am very bloated at the moment because I'm on my period, so I've got a little baby coming, but that's cool. So love these. Elasticated, they are super stretchy. Oh, you just saw my underwear there. They're super stretchy, like really good. But then they're actually really tight on my legs. Not in a way that I haven't got room, like there is plenty of room on them, but a lot of them I'm finding look really tight around your, like look really loose around your legs. But these actually look tight the whole way up. There's not sort of loads of wrinkles in them. Again, I'm wearing bad underwear as well for this, but then I would pair this with an oversized jumper like this, and I just think this is such a nice vibe. They're also super warm, I can tell that already, which is good. They're nice on the bum. I just really like these, and I can't believe I finally found a pair. Now, we actually accidentally ordered 2 pairs and I am tempted to keep both. These were £8 each, which is super cheap, so I am tempted to keep both potentially, depending on how easy it is to return. I might keep both. It's a bit difficult because these are really nice and I've been looking for a pair for ages, and these just feel so comfy. Like, I don't feel like they're falling down. I feel like I've got loads of room in them, and like I could chill in these for ages and like be super comfy. So I'm really happy. Like, I've never found a pair of leather trousers that actually suit me, and these are just gorgeous. Let me move you up so you can actually see my face. But I literally love these a lot, and I'm so excited. Today's just a good day. I'm feeling good, like really good. So loving these, such a vibe. I prefer these a lot more than I do the pyjamas. I don't know why. I think with pyjamas you always got to upsize. I didn't really upsize too much. Maybe if I had gone an other size up, but I find it just really unflattering. I wanted them pyjamas to be sort of like my pyjamas. We've got people round, not that we do at the moment, but I quite often want to get my pyjamas a bit early, or if people pop round and you don't really expect them and you're in your pyjamas, it's nice to be in that sort of pyjama. That you can open the door to the postman, don't give them a fright. So, but I love these so much and I'm so happy. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like these sort of things, if you like hauls and things like that. The charity shops are going to be opening soon, and best believe there'll be so many charity shop videos coming. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. I feel like the end is near. I'm feeling so much more positive. I definitely have gotten a bit of a rut with lockdown and just not being able to open, and I'm so excited to open up my little salon. Behind you is literally a tanning tent because I'm recently trained in spray tanning, which is so exciting. So I'm just feeling really good. I feel like good things are going to come this year. I've got faith that we're going to make it a good year, even if it's the second half of the year, and I'm very happy. And I'm also very happy that I've got my leather trousers to rock the end of lockdown, and I'm so happy, and I feel like we've made it to the end. We've done so well. Don't worry if you're still struggling. I do think these next month or two are going to be a bit more of a struggle. I think when we get to the 29th, when we can meet up with people outdoors, that'll be really, really lovely. And I'm really excited to see my family, and I'm just so excited, and I feel like we've made it so far. So everyone, don't worry about trying to get in a size 6 for when the nightclub's open. Like, don't worry about it, don't stress. It's still an emotional time, it's still stressful, and just do what you need to do for you. And there's a lot of pressure on us right now to slim back down to the size you were pre-lockdown, and just remember, you don't have to do that, and whatever feels right for you, do that. Whether that's eating healthier or in general just sticking to what you're doing, like however you're coping in this time, just carry on, you're killing it. And we're so near the end, and I'm just so excited and dreaming of days where I can see everyone, and oh, it'll be lovely. So that was a really long ramble at the end of a video, but I'm just in a really good mood, so I'm going to film some more videos today, I think. But let me know in the comments what sort of videos you want to see, because I'm happy to do anything at this point. Like, I'm so open to do anything. So let me know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!